adding Serper search API free option. You can use Brave search API. However, instead of using Brave search, I am using Serper search API. A bit complicated to set up, but not as easy like Brave search. You have to install few things, but it will be okay as long as you get some free tokens to use, right? Because Serper offers a free tier. It's slightly more difficult to set up, but once configured properly, it works reliably. So step 1 is go to serper.dev and get your own Serper API key and make it secure. That is the step number 1, is very important. Step 2, install the Serper skill. So you can install the Serper skill either way, right? These are the two commands, playbook command or club install. Also, in addition to this, you might need to install pip Serper, okay? You can verify on the Clawdbot terminal, right, whether pip install is already available. So these are the 3 things you need. This is very important. Now, once it is installed, then you need your Serper API key to be added to .openclaw.env. This is important. This is must have, and replace your key with the actual key, right? Next, OpenClaw gateway and OpenClaw, you perform these 2 commands so that you are into the terminal interface itself. Now, then you perform search today's AI news, right? I'm going to show you a live demo that we have created. We have explored with stock search and all. However, you can check whether it is able to perform any web search. Now, why use Serper instead of scraping? Free tier available, structured Google search, more reliable than scraping, avoids bot detection issues, right? And cleaner API based integration. These are some benefits of using Serper or Brave search API. Now, very important to make a note, keep your API key private, never commit OpenClaw or .env to Git, use pending limits always if it is available, right? Serper requires a bit more setup, as I mentioned, than Brave, but once configured, it becomes a stable free search solution for OpenClaw, right? Easier? Happy? I hope you can at least have the capability of web search in your OpenClaw now. Congratulations. So we are exploring, can you list 5 top stocks from Indian market as of today, which could return 25% in just 1 year as an example, right? If you see that, right, immediately it went to the website, web search using the Serper tool, and it performed that. That's the advantage of using the skills, right? However, I showed you a little complicated way so that you guys can really perform it, because using Brave search, you need to immediately load some amount, some USD, right? But you can use this Serper key as an Serper API key as an alternative, and you can do the similar.